Racing as they battle for the 2011 Pilracom Chairman's Cup. We have Magna Carta, break quickly at the start, down on the inside is Prince Isaiah, Barkley rushing upon the outside, Harbin Dugo, King Theodore in the middle, Pritil comes next, Platinum Lance, Sulong Pinoy, Chismosa, Boss Barawana, while The Rock is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn, we have Prince Isaiah by about 2 lengths. Magna Carta is right behind in second. A length for the back in third comes Barkley. Down on the inside is Sulong Pinoy. Harbin Dugo comes next. King Theodore, Platinum Lance, Pritil. Then next on line is Chismosa. Then followed by Boss Barawana, while The Rock is still racing in less. Back to the leader with Prince Isaiah, followed closely by Magna Carta in second. Barkley is on the outside third. Then comes Harbin Dugo. Next on that is Sulong Pinoy. And at a far turn, the lead now belongs to Magna Carta. Down on the inside is Prince Isaiah. Barkley now about to throw the challenge on the outside. And as they swing for him, 2 runners party round for the lead. Magna Carta, Barkley is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. These two now has collided, and in front we have Magna Carta, Barkley on the outside, and nearing the finish line. Chairman's Cup belongs to Magna Carta, Barkley, Boss Barawana, Harbin Dugo, Pritil, Sulong Pinoy, and The Rock.
Yun lang masarap kay Magna Carta.
Alright, bayang karirista, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at inyo pong natunghayan yung ating katatapos na karera, which is the 2011 Pilracom Chairman's Cup. At ang pakarera pong ito'y handog para sa ating kaibigan, the former chairman po ng Philippine Racing Commission. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Nicanor, Chairman Nicanor Nicky Jacinto, ang pakarerang yan, kung saan po nagwagi ang panalo ng kabayong Magna Carta. At narito po tayo sa ating awarding area upang ipresenta yung ating nagagandahang mga tropeo, ating mga koneksyon ng nasabing nanalong kabayo. Pero bago pong lahat, nais kong pakilala sa inyo yung ating mga panauhin sa hapong ito. First, of course, from the Pilracom, ang nagpapakarera po, kasama natin ang butihing chairman at taganan din, director, of course, ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Wala pang iba kundi si Attorney Joy Pusong Pinoy Rojas II. At kasama rin natin, of course, yung ating mga naggagandahang lalaking commissioner, of course, headed by Commissioner Eyo Fernando, Commissioner James Paman, at syempre pa ang aking partner, Commissioner Bobok Domingo Jr. And also from the Philippine Racing Commission, we have Dr. Romy Buencamino. At dito naman sa ating karerahan sa Lazaro Leisure and Business Park, ang ating pong racing manager, si Mr. Ding Magbuo, kasama natin sa ating presentation. At yung ating mga kaibigan from the Manila Horsepower, of course, headed by Mr. Noni Neri. Good afternoon, sir. At yung ating apat na, ewan ko, baka kinakabag na mga tiyan ito. Anyway, kasama rin natin, of course, sila Emily, si Rochelle, si Dane, at saka si Faye. Good afternoon sa inyo. And onwards na po tayo para sa ating awarding presentation. Unahin natin ang proud owner ng kabayong unbeatable na si Ma'am Chairman Attorney Joy Rojas. Congratulations, Sir Sandy, at kay Mr. Michael Dragon. At ngayon naman, tatawagin po natin ang naghanda, nagprepara sa kabayong Magna Carta, isa pong premyadong horse trainer sa larangan ng karera. Ito na po si Kuya Ray Henson. 1.2 million po ang garantiyang papremyo para sa nagwagi dito sa kabayong Magna Carta. At ito naman, tinatanggap ni trainer Mr. Ray Henson yung kanyang sariling tropeo bilang tagapaghanda ng kabayong Magna Carta. At ngayon naman po, tatawagin natin ang hinete na gumabay sa kabayong Magna Carta, the 2010 PSA Jockey of the Year awardee, Jockey Jesse Basilio Guse. Palakpakan po natin si Jesse. What a wonderful ride, ika nga. Congratulations. At ngayon naman, tatawagin muli natin si Mayor Sandy Javier Jr. to accept naman po yung Breeders' Purse na 70,000 sponsored by the Philippine Racing Commission. At incidentally po, ang kabayong Magna Carta ay sariling palahi po yan ni Mayor Sandy Javier Jr. At ang tatanggap naman ng ating tropeo o ng ating Breeders' Purse, maybe we could call on Michael Dragon o si Sir Sandy na rin. Okay, eto na, Sir Sandy, si Michael. Join the group, Michael. Congratulations. Alright, ayan po si Michael Dragon Javier. Ang breeder natin dyan, of course, si Mayor Sandy Javier. At nakasama rin natin si Michael Dragon Javier. Congratulations once again, the 2011 Philracom Chairman's Cup champion, Magna Carta. Owner is Michael Dragon Javier. Trainer is Mr. Ray Hanson, Jackie Jesse Guse, at ang breeder natin, walang iba kundi si Mayor Sandy Javier Jr. At ngayon naman lalapitan ko si Chairman Joy Rojas. Siyempre, ang pusong Pinoy po, mapapakinggan niyo yan. DWIC, sir, would you like to say something?
Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nanonood at sa Bayang Karerista. Kami nasasayahan na nakasama namin dito ang Manila Horsepower Group na maraming pakrera ngayong araw na to. Kaya inanyayahan namin ang Bayang Karerista na lumahok at itong buong araw na to, magsaya tayo at magsama-sama tayo dito sa Carmona.
Sir, samantalahin ko na rin to. Would you like to invite them dun sa inyo pong pusong Pinoy?
Tuwing Sabado, alas 7 ng umaga, sa aming programang Pusong Pilipino, Pusong Panalo, Pusong Pinoy, 7 to 8 every Saturday.
Alright, thank you so much, Chairman Joy, at congratulations once again, Mayor Sandy, Michael Dragon Javier, Jesse Guse, at saka si Kuya Ray Henson. Ngayon naman po, kakausapin ko naman si Mayor Sandy to say something, sir. Congratulations po. Napakagaling ng kabayan nyo, Magna Carta. At ano pong mensahe nyo para sa Bayang Karerista, Mayor?
Bago na naman tayong kabayo susundan. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Para sa inyo ito.
Alright, salamat po. At Bayang Karerista, more racing action dito lang sa San Lazaro Leisure and Business Park. Good afternoon.